life is coming full circle for me. I had been doing my planning videos, and then that got me really interested in travel journaling, junk journaling, and I just got a travel journal. Actually, that's not true. I bought it over a month ago. I just have not put it up, and I just created my unboxing video, which you will be watching shortly. I wanted to just give a little background to how this came about and then what my plans are with my travel journal. Growing up, we used to travel all the time, and I loved collecting and doing travel journals with pictures, making photo albums with special tickets or ephemera. That's what it's called, ephemera. And I hope I'm saying that right. But I always collected them. I always put them into some sort of, I didn't call it a journal. It was more a photo album, and I would add all the different things. Then I got into doing them on Shutterfly and places like that so that it was a digital one, and then I could give several copies to different people. So that has always been something that I've been interested in. But ever since I started using my planners, my Laurel Denise planners. Now, if you are new and you haven't seen any of them, I'll link below my planner playlist, but I started using my planner in January of 2025, and every week I've been sharing my planning and what I do. And that got me excited to do some more journaling, and that led me to travel journaling and junk journaling. Now I have purchased my first travel journal, and I'm really, really excited to finally have a place to put all of those things that I've been collecting, but have nowhere to put them. Do you want to see what I got? Because you're about to see what I picked. And this is my first sort of trial, and we'll see how this goes. And then I'll be sharing what I journal, what it looks like, and my journey of journaling my travels. Look what I got. I purchased the Wanderlust Passport Travel Journal. This is from Bobo Design Studio, and I got these really cool pens, and it's so cute. She wrote a little note originally: "Thanks so much for your order. We hope you enjoy your goodies." So this was like really cute. I love, like, she made like little dots and stuff. That's really cute, from Kat. And these are these really cool pens. They're like a brush tip and then a bullet fine point. So you can do like calligraphy and different kinds of letters. And I thought this was really pretty. And for some reason, she had this color passport, this bright yellow, and it just reminds me of the sunshine in Florida, and it made me really, really happy. And then that combined with my Kristy, I just thought they looked so pretty together, the blue and the yellow. And then I also got some washi tapes that are travel journal stickies, and then these are the vacation washies. So I thought these would be really fun for the travel journal, but what I wanted to do was open this with you because it is so cool. Comes with 2 pages of Wanderlust stickers, a color map, memories tracker, a trip index for easy reference, and then it comes with this sleeve. So let's open this up together and see what's inside. Because, oh, look at that. It's not very thick. See how it's not very thick? And when you compare it to this, you can kind of see the difference. So this is the Kristy Laurel Denise, and this is the Wanderlust. But I love that it looks, oh, here, this is why I loved it, because I saw the yellow, and this must be, and this is which pen she uses, these pens. So I thought this was really kind of cool. And I mean, look how good those are. Look how fun that is. It's good for U.S. international travel. It's 110 GSM weight paper, 116 pages, up to 40 entries. Never forget another destination. Capture memories. So anyway, they come in a bunch of different colors, but for some reason this yellow just said vacation to me. So let's open that up. Where are my scissors? Together, and I want to show you what's inside, because I've been waiting to do this with you. start with my first trip, which is next week. Oh, that. I always get excited when I try open something new. Oop, I got that off by mistake. Oh, maybe, oh, it is. Is it on the outside? No, it's on the inside. So, okay, there's this great cord that goes around, and then it has this paper. But we'll just keep that on for now. And then it has the Bobo Design Studios, the Wanderlust passport, and printed right there. And then when you open it up, oh, this is really fun. It looks like a, you know, the map, you know, what do you call it, the geology. And then you have Dear Adventure Seeker, and then she's got a little note. This is so cool. And then you have this little nice ribbon. It tells you how to use the books, things to do. What kind of traveler are you? Road tripper, outdoorsman, weekender, jet setter, pampered. Share your journey. Oh, and this is so how to fill in your entry pages. I love all this. So it looks like at the top, you can put your date, where you were, latitude, elevation, temperature, record the weather, tap in photos, doodle, and here you go. So we've got a trip index, a travel wish list. That's really cool. You can draw in where you've been. That's neat. And then you've got the world. So international travel, track your travel. That's really fun too. And there you go. So this is where you start. So you write date. You can circle the day of the week, where it is, elevation, temperature, and then your accommodations. You can do money, stars, and each day is like that. So this is so cool. And then let's see what's in the back. So you get to the end, page 88, and then some dot paper, and it's supposed to lie flat, so this is great. And then after the dot paper, jobs fill your pocket, but adventure fills your soul. And then, oh, what's in here? That's cool. Little stickers, fun little travel stickers. Need more time, womp womp, good, bad. Hell yeah. Okay, so this is really great. So these are great little travel stickers that come in this little packet in the back, and then you're done. So that is my Wanderlust new passport travel journal. And I am going, oh, forgot to put this inside. And I am going to start with my first journal entries next week from Disney. And I'm going to fill these pages with everything that we do and practice with this and use some fun washi tape like this. So I'm going to get everything out and I'm going to set these pages up for our first trip. I think it just came to me. Typography. This looks like typography to me. So let's get this off this sleeve. And then, for some reason I hate ruining things, so I don't want to rip it. But I guess I could just rip it off down here and take it off. I'm one of those people that likes to save things, so it's kind of cool. So there you go. So that is my new Wanderlust passport that I have a feeling is going to get really thick really fast. I'm really excited to use it. And now I get to journal. It's really cool, right? It's such a pretty color. I love the yellow. And I did make a note in the video that it is going to look so good with my Kristy planner. And I did say, does it look familiar to you? And many of you who use the Laurel Denise planners may have noticed that the new Kristy is coming out in a golden color, which is so bizarre because I did not know that Kristy was going to come out in a gold color, and I just randomly picked this color for the Wanderlust passport because I just thought it was fun and sunny, and it made me think of sunshine and traveling, and it made me feel good, and I thought that this would be a fun color to use. So it's a coincidence. It's a total coincidence, and I did get the 2026 gold yellow Kristy, but I'm not sure if I'm going to start using that or not, or if I'm going to keep with this current one. But I just wanted to pop in here at the end of this video because I did mention that, and if you're a Laurel Denise planner user, you'll know what I'm talking about. So that's it. And so I cannot wait to spend a little time going through here and adding all of the things that I picked up from our Disney World trip and start there. I thought I'd start there because I have a bunch of things and it's a good sort of place to start. Again, I am going to not worry about all this blank space, and I'm just gonna get in here and I'm gonna try to get messy. Check back because I will be sharing my travel journaling with you as well. So if you're new here and you haven't seen any of my planning videos, and if you'd like to see my travel journal videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when new videos go up. I also have other videos. I have Disney travel videos. I have hair and makeup as well. There's a bunch of different things on my channel, so I look forward to seeing you over there at another video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're using for your travel journal. Do you travel journal? Are there special things and tools and accessories and things like that that you use that would be useful for me? I would love to hear all about it. So I look forward to reading your comments, answering your comments, and getting to know you further as I start sharing my travel journals with you. So until next time, happy travels.